Student doesn't understand a topic in class, AI gives another explanation in simple words. For example, teacher explains fastly or we feel shy to ask again, but AI gives clarity and step-by-step explanation till the beginning to the final answer.
And solving, not from instant explanations. If answers are easily available, student will not focus on math. Suppose a student is doing homework at night and suddenly he gets like root 1619. Without any delay, he get answer from AI, but at that time the student will not get the process of doing the sum.
Just AI weakens basic math skills. Suppose if a student wants to multiply 29 into 13 instead of doing multiplication, if he uses calculator, even simple sums like this feels difficult after without calculator. So students stop practicing mental maths and depend upon calculators.
But tools are used after learning basics, not instead of them. Suppose a student solves 48 plus 52, mentally the answer is 100. Then the student uses calculator to check the answer. Here mental maths is used first and tools are help in checking answers. It improves confidence and accuracy.
By using calculators, we can save time in lengthy calculations. This helps students to focus on logic instead of wasting time on big numbers. For examples, in exam like IIT, JEE, competitive math speed matter. C is useless if students do not practice calculations, may lose confidence and make mistakes in exam. For example, 39 into 25 into 4. The student who practice calculations may do this calculation as 39 into 100, which is equals to 3900. If we think once before multiply, we come to know that 25 into 4 equals to 100, which makes the multiplication more easier. But the students who use calculator may do this calculation as same as 39 into 25 and then multiply by 4, which takes a lot of time.
Also, AI cannot replace a teacher's guidance and emotional understanding. Students need human correction, not machine answer. For example, while solving 2x plus 5 is equals to 15 in transposition method, plus 5, if it comes to right, it becomes the minus 5. For suppose, if the students get the confusion, instead of 5, if he uses the 2, he will get the wrong solution. In this situation, a teacher would notice the error and ensure the student to learn the method perfectly. The mistake again. So, in this way, AI tools will not help the students. Thank you.
AI acts like a personal tutor, adjusting to the student level. Every student have a different level and AI supports that. Technology makes students smarter when used wisely. Hard work with smart tools brings success.
Math is not about answer. It is about thinking and logic, and for this we definitely need support from math teacher. Overuse of technology makes students lazy. Suppose the student have to do problem involving percentage and fraction of addition, then the students who uses calculator feels difficult to do such type of problems.
Also, most exams do not allow calculators, so tool-based learning is useless. Calculators cannot solve your exam, your brain can.
Improves understanding and exam practice improves speed. So both can adjust together. Manual calculation strengthens understanding and checking with the tools builds confidence.
Confidence comes from clarity. AI helps in cleaning doubts and builds confidence to practice.
To use mobiles or calculators, they lose confidence, and if they lose confidence, they'll panic in exams. Suppose a student is use AI to check his answers. He will develop a dependency, and without the AI, during the exam, he will make mistakes or take longer to solve the problem. Mobile phone causes distraction like social media and gaming. Students will not focus on maths. Suppose a student want to practice maths, he open a on the mobile phone while he practicing. A message pops up from the WhatsApp. He will scroll Instagram 10 to 15 minutes, and the maths question is forgotten. No practice, no progress, no focus. Then the best device cannot help a student if he constantly distracted.
Solve distraction. Mobile phones can be used only while learning time under guidance. Parents or teachers can monitor students while using AI tools and mobiles, ensuring these students do not get distraction.
My final point is technology is a powerful support. We have to responsibility to get started learning math.
But maths needs practice, patience, and logical thinking. Technology should not be replaced with efforts.
Both teams such a strong and meaningful argument.
This debate has clearly shown us that technology in mathematics can be both support and challenge depending on how we use it. Let us give a big round of applause to all our debaters. Thank you all. Right.